working coast to coast, sleeping on a train, caught between the satellites and on the road again. People often ask me, where is I'm from? Find it hard to tell them, so I sing it in a song. Eagle in the mountain, floating on the breeze. Shark out in the ocean, he's happy in the deep. Me, I've got my own place, it's good enough for me. You could find me anywhere, between the mountains and the sea. I've been a lot of places, done a lot of things. Some of them were so good, I'd do those things again. The town that I was born in, it knows me all too well. I hope they'll take me back there, when the keeper rings the bell. Oh, but that eagle in the mountains, floating on the breeze. Shark out in the ocean, he's happy in the deep. Me, I've got my own place, yeah, it's good enough for me. You can find me anywhere, between the mountains and the sea. Sometimes I stop and wonder how it came to this life of lonely traveling, so far from civil bliss. Oh,